Assalamu alaikum. Now we'll start with our revision of 7th chapter, circle. Understood? So we know how to draw the circle with the help of the protractor. Yes or no? Whichever radius is there, we have to measure it with the help of the protractor and we have to draw the circle. So first we'll study what is radius. See here in the picture. This is the radius. Radius 5 centimeter means we have to take the measurement of 5 centimeter. We have to put the pointer here and the pencil here and we have to just rotate it, through which we can draw the circle. Understood? So this is the center. From center to the circumference, that is known as the radius. Diameter is what? Diameter is starting from one circumference to the next circumference. Understood? Passing through the center, that is known as the diameter. And what is chord? It is starting from one circumference to another circumference, but it doesn't mean that it's not necessary in the chord that it should go from the center. Understood? So diameter starts from one circumference and ends at the another circumference and passes through center. And in chord it doesn't passes through center, but diameter is also known as chord. Understood? So in circle the greatest diameter, greatest chord is diameter, and this is the radius. So if in the exams come to draw the to draw the circle, you only have to measure the radius and you only have to draw the circle. See here, if the radius is given and we have to find the diameter, how we will find? The radius is, see here, if the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, what will its diameter be? So the radius is equals to 5 centimeter. The diameter is equals to half of radius. The diameter is the double of radius. Understood? So we can write here the formula as radius into 2. Understood? So here radius is how much? 5, and into 2, 5 2s are 10. So the diameter of a circle is 10 centimeter. Next is, if the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, what will its radius be? So the diameter is 6 centimeter. We know that radius is half of diameter. So we will write radius is equals to half into diameter. Half into 6, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So answer is 3 centimeter. Next, again same thing. We have to complete it. For example, radius is 4 centimeter, diameter we have to find. So diameter is equals to 2 into radius. 2 into 4. 4 is what? Radius. See here, 2 4s are 8. So diameter is how much? 8 centimeter. Second, radius is not given and diameter is given, that is 16 centimeter. So we have to do what? Radius is equals to half of diameter. So half into 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So answer is 8. Third question. Radius is 9 centimeter, diameter is not given. So diameter is equals to 2 into radius. 2 into 9, so answer is 2 9s are 18 centimeter. Fourth is, radius is not given, diameter is 22 centimeter. So radius is equals to half into diameter. So half into 22, 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. So answer is 11 centimeter. Now we will study the interior exterior points of the circle. Now this is a circle. Understood? It is having the points. Point Z, point M, point P, point W, point N, point T. So the points which are inside the circle are known as interior circle. Understood? The points which are outside the circle are known as exterior circle. And the points which are on the circumference, like this is a circumference, and the points which are there on the circumference are known as points on the circle. Understood? So we have to write points in the interior of the circle. Interior points, point Y, point R, point T and point X. Exterior of the circle, point W, point M, point Z. Understood? We have to write point like this. And the last, points on the circle means the points which are on the circle, on the circumference. So point P and point N. See here. Understood? Now we will learn the arc of the circle. What is arc of the circle? This red color is the circle and the 3 points are there on the circle. Point A, point B and point C. Arc means we have to take the 3 letters together. Like for example, arc A, B, C. See here, orange color? Yes. Then we can take the brown color, arc B, C, A. Understood? And the last angle C, A, B. So here arc is nothing but we are taking the points together, 3 points, starting from one point, passing through one point, another point and ending at third point. So here A, B, C, A again we are not going to say. Understood? A, B, C, A, no. Only A, B, C or B, C, A or C, A, B or C, B, A. Understood? So this is known as the arc of the circle. Now see, a question is given. In the figure given alongside, point S, L, M and N are on the circle. Answer the questions with the help of the diagram. See here, this is a red color circle, diagram is there. Points are on the circle, point L, point M, point N and point S. First question. Write the names of the arcs with end points S and M. So here this is the arc. We have to write the name of the arc which ends at the S and M. Understood? Starting from S and ending at M. So we can write here starting from S and ending at M. So, or we can say that starting from M or ending at S. Means the end points, the 2 end points should be S or M. So here S, N, M or S, N, S, L, M or S, N, M. Understood? So arc S, N, M or arc S, L, M. Understood? So we can also say arc M, L, S or arc M, N, S. Next question again. Write the names of the arcs with the end points L and N. So here these 2 points are done. Now these 2 are the end points. So how we will write? L, M, N, arc L, M, N or arc L, S, N. Or we can also write arc N, S, L or arc N, M, L. Understood? So this is the question. Second question. Write the names of the arcs that points A, B, C, D in the given circle give rise to it. So here A, B, C, D points are given. We have to write different arc names. So first we will take AC as a end point. Understood? So we will write here ABC or arc ADC. Next we will take DB as the end point. Arc DCB and arc DAB. Next we will take the end point CA. Understood? So we'll start from C. Arc CBA or arc CDA. Then we will take the end points BD. Understood? So we'll start from B. Arc BAD and arc BCD. Understood? So this way we are going to do the sums. So with this we have done the revision of circle chapter.